Hello, my name is Dorian Robido Monroy. When I was a child, I visited my uncles a lot, since at that time had more time to go out with my parents and my brothers. Nowadays, I am only in school and I heard all day, since I do not have much time to go out as before. I am also learning to draw now that there is quarantine. I have been thinking about continuing my studies or starting work after finishing university, but it all depends on whether it's better at the time. When I finish university, I will do something to know if I continue studying or start working. I also think about studying in some other career. In addition to traveling, I will have to start painting again. I will have reached a point in my life that I will begin to think about establishing a family or simply focusing on myself to travel and enjoy a full life. But most likely, I will think about getting married then.